Hey man, it's Barry again with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this demonstration is going to be on a standard stock repair, which is not always possible due to parts availability issues and long-term reliability. And I see this customer has said in the work order that this is an AM/FM 8-track, and it's obvious that this is an AM 8-track, and the name on the unit matches the name on the work order, so it's definitely an error on the customer's part. Not a big deal there. Let me just run through some stuff here, make sure everything else is groovy. Okay, level 3 service, good deals there. Original connectors. Customer did not request a line input, so we're cool. This unit comes from Matt in Elk Grove Village, Illinois, and it's out of a 73 Mustang. Sounds like a pretty cool car to me. So let's just go ahead and, on these original stock repairs, there's not a whole lot to test, but I still test them anyway, just in case the customer hooked up something wrong when the unit is reinstalled or he has a bad speaker. This way we know beyond any doubt that the unit itself is good and my work held up. Let's go ahead and turn her on. It is 2:45 in the morning on a Sunday night, or actually it's Monday morning now, so there's not going to be much on the AM band, but I did find one station that comes in, probably from lands afar, and we'll just kind of, just so you can hear the, just so we know that the dial is working and changing stations. And then we'll go back to our strong station. Alrighty, and work our balance control, left to the right. Alrighty, and work our tone control. Alrighty, and now we're going to test the 8-track function, which is the reason most of these are sent in. Okay, got dead track at the moment. Okay, whichever track was between songs, there's now a song playing on it. Okay, let's pull her out. There's a radio coming back, and let's try a little Anne Murray, if we can find her. I guess Anne's out with somebody else tonight. Here we are. Okay, a little bit of Anne Murray. Got to be careful to keep these songs very short so the copyright police don't come after me. Alrighty, and just for fun, we'll try just a little bit of Herb Alpert here. Now, Herb Alpert albums were recorded with a very exaggerated stereo effect, meaning that sometimes you won't hear anything out of one speaker. It's typical of the earlier stereo recordings. Alrighty, gonna pull the tape out, make sure the radio comes back on. Alrighty, and I don't know if you can see it, and let's just make sure that dial lights up. I'm just going to touch the hot wire to the illumination wire here for a moment, make sure it comes on. Okay, you can see it flashing on and off as I disconnect and connect it. So that completes the testing. Everything's working properly. This was a pretty short and sweet test, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. This is Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. At least here he is. And if you have an AM radio in need of conversion to FM or just straight repaired, you can reach me at 928-533-9666. Do please note that a lot of radios are not good candidates for stock repair, depending on what model it is, issues concerning parts availability, long-term reliability, and even fire safety in the case of some Chrysler units. So there are some jobs that I'm not willing to do for those reasons. My website is in the description below. Once again, my number is 928-533-9666. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.